Hello kids, Prinzy here. Today I will teach you how to draw airplane. Let's get started. Grab your pen and paper and start drawing with me. First I am going to draw our plane's basic structure. Now I am going to draw one wing of our airplane. Great! Now I am going to draw another wing. Nice job, kids! Now I am going to make a glass window. Now I am going to finish the basic structure. Now I am going to make rotor blades. Great job, kids! Our basic structure is ready. Now I am going to draw some clouds. Great, kids! Amazing! Our picture is ready. Now I'm going to highlight the picture. Amazing! It is more visible to us now. It's coloring time, kids. Wow! We have so many colors. Let's color our picture. For our airplane, I am going to choose light green color. Sky blue color for glass window. Bright pink for wings. Red color for our rotor blades. Sky blue color for our clouds. Well done, kids! Our picture is ready. Hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.